Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your publication name on Substack. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your browser and navigate to your Substack homepage. After selecting your publication, look for the Settings tab in the navigation panel and click on it. On this page, locate the section labeled Basics and select it. The Basics section contains fundamental settings like your publication name, description, and logo. Next, you'll see a field displaying your current publication name. Click inside this field to start editing. Type in your new publication name. Once you've entered your new name, take a quick moment to double-check for any spelling errors or formatting issues. When you're satisfied with the new name, scroll down and click on the Save button. Clicking Save will officially apply your changes and update your publication's name across Substack. And that's it! So that is how you can change your publication name on Substack. So that's all for this video. Thanks.